Hi, I'm Bianca Fischli and I'm a master student at the University of Applied Sciences in Venice. Today I will present you the KYTO Hydrogel from the company mimiX Biotherapeutics. The KYTO Hydrogel is a chemical-defined synthetic hydrogel and is based on the strain which is functionized with stylo glues. Now I will explain to you the reagents of the KYTO kit. So the KYTO kit contains 5 reagents. The main component of the KYTO kit is the SG dextrane. The CD link is the crosslinker. Then there are 2 reagents which are called CB buffer, which allows you to influence the gelation time. Then there is a reagent which contains the RGD. And finally, there is water, which allows you to reconcentrate the lyophilized powder. The KYTO hydrogel works very well with the cymatiX because you can adjust gelation time with this hydrogel. You can also add the RGD sequences, which allows the cells to adhere to the hydrogel or, for example, to form cubes. First, we have to do some pre-preparations. Of course, normally you will do these steps under the biosafety cabinet. You should always work on ice to avoid the oxidation of the stylo glues. First, we will add some water to the lyophilized powder to reconcentrate the powder. Then you can also aliquot the other reagents to avoid repeated freeze and thawing cycles. If needed, you can also sterilize your lever or your instruments. You should also calculate the amount of the chemicals according to the table in the manual. Firstly, we will add some water to the lyophilized powder, then we will vortex it and incubate for 5 minutes. Again vortex and then put it to the centrifuge. As mentioned before, you can influence the viscosity and gelation time of your hydrogel with the CB buffer. Normally I work at a pH of 6.9 in the hydrogel. For that, I mix these 2 reagents at the ratio of 80:20. We are finished with the pre-preparations and can start now with the main procedure. For that, you have to split your cells according to the manuals and count the cells. Normally, I work with 1 million cells per milliliter. I mix the water with the CD buffer and the SG dextrane. Then you can also add the RGD reagent and incubate for 20 minutes at room temperature. After that, you can add your cell suspension and in the end, CD link. If you are happy with your pattern, you can stop the cymatiX now. You should rest the sample under the cymatiX for 10 minutes to avoid the destroying of the pattern. After these 10 minutes, you can put the sample into the incubator for 20 minutes. After these 20 minutes, you can add the cell culture media. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you to generate great results with the cymatiX and the whole equipment. If you need more information, please go to the website of mimiX Biotherapeutics.